Parsley. Now make sure the leaves are vibrant green with no bruising and that they have some bounce. We'll remove the leaves from the stem, and you can save these stems, which are great to add into your stocks. We'll bundle them tightly and begin to slice into a chiffonade. And there's our chiffonade, great to use as a garnish. From here, we can go ahead and give this a quick chop, which is perfect to add to fillings, braised dishes, and pastas. And there's our finely chopped parsley.